Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I would like to do today guys is show you how to create this twirl text effect in Adobe Photoshop. A really cool modern idea that you could apply to many forms of graphic design. And what I want you to do is take the information that I show you today and go and create some really cool stuff and really cool amazing designs within your graphic design life. Okay, now what I'm going to do first of all is open up our layers window. Just select that top layer and press backspace to remove. As you see here, I have a nice black background layer to get started with. Now with my type tool, what I'm now going to do is come through and click on the artboard here and create the word graphics. Like so. Okay. And with that layer highlighted still, I need to get the alignment of it sorted out. So I'm just going to make sure that I'm on my move tool here and just get the alignment sorted like so. What I may want to do is bring this down a tad. So just with my arrow keys, I'm just going to bring that down there a little bit like so. Okay, so to that layer, what I now need to do is apply a layer style to that. And I'll do that by double clicking on the layer or come into your effects window here. By double click, wonderful. So what I would like to do is apply a stroke color to, stroke to this word here. And the color will be dictated by the color of the word. So I'm just going to double click on that and pick up that color. And let's say we stick to the size of 3. And then if I come to my blending options here, and just the fill opacity, I want to now take down to 0%. And as you can see here, our word is coming to life. Now let's press OK. Now what I'm going to do to that layer is duplicate it. I'm going to use the shortcut Command J on Mac or Control J on Windows. And with my move tool, it's highlighted. I'm just going to use the arrow keys, just move that up there to a point like so. And we're going to do it one more time. And get these looking like that. Okay, so what I now need to do is merge all these layers together. So I'm just going to highlight it like so, pressing, making sure you have the top layer highlighted and press Shift to highlight the bottom type layer there. Using the shortcut Command E on Mac or Control E on Windows, I'm going to merge that merge those 3 layers together. Convert them into a smart object by right-clicking on them and convert to smart object. And with that layer still highlighted, I'm now going to come to Filter, Distort, Twirl. We can manipulate the twirl angle here if we needed to. Here, let's say, but I'm going to leave it around probably in the sort of 60-ish mark. And now if I press OK, there you have it, guys. That's how you create that twirl text effect in Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care and see you next time.